So today I'm going to show you how I wrapped gifts that are not square all around. So you will need tape, scissors, and I have 3 different types of wrapping paper. And so the first thing you want to do is get your gift that isn't squared all around, and this gift wrapping paper is perfect because it has lines, so you can measure and cut more easy. And here you see me just measuring the amount of paper I need to wrap this gift and just cutting along the lines. Once you're through cutting your wrapping paper, you want to place your gift face side down and close each flap and put a tape in the middle of that closing to secure the paper. So after that, what you want to do is on that same side where you put the tape, you want to fold that flap in where the openings are. You want to fold that in and make sure the edges are nice and folded as well in a triangular shape. And then it's easier to do if you're on a flat surface, but here I'm going to try to show you real quick how I do it. But you just want to fold that in, and once you do fold that same side of where the tape is, once you're done doing that, then you want to fold the other flap and then just make sure that the one you folded in first is secure, and then you fold the other flap and put tape on it. Once you have that tape on there, then you can adjust the edges and all that to make it look nice and pretty. And you want to do the same thing to the other side, and this side is a lot easier because you have done the other side and you can just lay it down without making the wrapping look ugly or without it wrinkling as well. And there you have it. There's one done. And this one I am going to show you, even though it is squared but it's flat. It's easy just to do the same thing to it. So first you want to measure it out, cut it, put the gift face side down, secure it with a tape in the middle of where the flaps are, and then just fold that same side of the flap. Just fold that in and secure. Since it's longer, you're going to secure it with 2 tapes. And you want to do the same thing to the other side. And I am just wrapping all the gifts, even though they are little ones, because it's always fun just to see the kids opening the gifts and seeing their face light up. So that's why I'm even doing coloring books. And here we have a clipboard. So the clip is going to be the challenging part. So you don't want to do it sideways. You want to do it long ways, because that way you can wrap the clip and that'll be the easiest way first than to try and do it with the clip in the opening. So here I'm giving myself a little extra space because the clip is going to take up a little bit more than normal. So I'm just measuring it out, and once I'm satisfied, I'm going to cut it. And now you just want to do the same thing as the other gifts that we had wrapped already. You want to just face it down, close the sides, secure it with the tape, and then just work on closing the sides of the gift. As a working mom, you really don't have a lot of time to make your gifts look beautiful and very festive. So cutting corners and stuff like that really does help when you are working, because you want your kids to also enjoy what other kids enjoy when they have a stay-at-home mom. So I try to go ahead and take a little time to do these gifts and get them ready for them to open them for Christmas. And we're done. So with the other gifts that we had under the Christmas tree, they were a lot easier because they were actually squared all around, like boxed shaped. So that was really easy to do. But if you like this video and you like this tip I gave you, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. I'll see you on the next one.